Smells like a honey that a bear would love. Guys, time for something sweet. Today we're talking about Disney's Winnie the Pooh perfume that was released early in 2024. I am so stoked that I picked this up from EB Games in Australia when I was there recently, and when I unboxed it, it was the first time that I smelt it. So really this video is about my first impressions. Grab yourself some honey and condensed milk and let's get into the video. Unless you've been really minding your own business recently, you will have seen this all over the internet once or twice, except on here for some reason, I don't know why. But all I'm saying is real perfume reviewers do not ignore perfumes for the 6+ age group, okay? So if that's you, keep watching and give this video a thumbs up if you are already getting value from it. Let's take a look at the presentation. So it is eau de toilette and 65 mils. It is a see-through box, and this little $30 sticker here, you don't stand half a chance getting that off. You will need a priest to get rid of it. Actually guys, this is the second time that I've filmed this video. The audio didn't record before, so I actually unwrapped this box. This is a spare one. So I will let you have a little look. I absolutely love the glitter there on the top. Super, super cute. And you can see the little bow tie with my bun sticking out the top. Come on, look at the little bee there. Okay. Super cute. Super cute. So the notes on the back of the box are flower fragrance and candy. The middle notes are honey and vanilla, and the base is pollen and rock sugar. But wait, on Fragrantica, the notes are different. It says the top notes are honey and almond milk, the middle is milk and amber, and the base is whipped cream, beeswax, sugarcane, and vanilla. So which notes would you tend to go with? The ones that Disney went to some effort to research and put on the box, a lot of boxes, or would you go with the perfume pyramid on Fragrantica? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a like if you are getting value from leaving me a comment in the comments. Also guys, I saw on the perfume rating on Fragrantica that this little honey pot scored 4.3 out of 5, and it had 82 votes. That's pretty good. I reckon that's pretty good. Alright, let's give it a spray. Spray, spray, spray. Good sprayer. Good sprayer. Alright guys, so this is straight up honey with some vanilla. It's a really sweet honey. It's not thick. It's a runny kind of honey. Have you tried this? Do you own it? What are your thoughts? And where have you worn it, or where would you wear it? This is so cute, guys. This is I like it. I like it. It's nice. It's fun. It's fresh. It's light. It's summery or spring. This would definitely bring a smile to your face while you're wearing it. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to work. I would wear it obviously around the house. I would wear it to a birthday party where there was those little hundreds and thousands sandwiches and little chicken McNuggets and the little red sausagey things. I think that would be perfect for that. It's sweet, it's delightful. Yeah, super fun, super fun. Definitely worth the $30. And I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video. It was brought to you live at the time of filming this video. My name is Karen Taylor. I smell, and TTFN.